Good evening, this Kayana Hotel. Diana is speaking. How may I help you?
Good evening. I have a problem here inside my room, and I want it to be fixed now.
Okay, ma'am. Before anything else, may I have your name and your room number?
Colleen Antonio from room 301.
Okay, ma'am Colleen, you said a while ago that you're having a problem in your room. May I ask what is it?
The air conditioner in my room is malfunctioning, and the temperature here is too hot for me.
I'm very sorry to hear that you are having this kind of situation, ma'am.
Kindly fix it immediately.
Yes, ma'am, we really apologize for the inconvenience that has caused you. We will fix it immediately for you, ma'am.
Oh, that's good to hear.
I will call the hotel maintenance to fix it immediately, ma'am.
I want it fixed immediately.
I already called for the maintenance team and they are on their way to your room, ma'am. Good evening, Miss Antonio. Our maintenance staff has confirmed that the air conditioner is now working properly. May I confirm if the room is now comfortable with you?
Yes, it seems to be working fine now.
I'm glad to hear that, ma'am. Once again, I sincerely apologize for the inconvenience. Please let us know if there are anything else we can do to make your stay more comfortable. Thank you for understanding. Have a restful night.